Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Vanish mode lets people send each other disappearing messages, photos, videos, and other content in Instagram chats. Content sent in Vanish mode disappears when someone leaves the chat or turns Vanish mode off. So, first of all, you can open your Instagram. Tap on your message on the upper right corner. You can tap on chat. Now, from your chat, you can swipe up to turn on the Vanish mode. You can swipe up like this. Swipe up until you see there is a notification that you turn on Vanish mode. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. You can send message on this chat. You won't be able to copy, save, or forward disappearing messages. Accounts you haven't connected with before can't send you message requests in Vanish mode. You can only use Vanish mode in chat with another Instagram account. Certain professional accounts can receive messages in Vanish mode. Only use Vanish mode with people you trust. For example, it's possible for someone to take a screenshot or screen recording or a message in Vanish mode before it disappears. You'll receive a notification if this happens. Take a photo of a disappearing message with a camera or other devices before it disappears. To turn off this Vanish mode, you can swipe up the chat like this, and you see the chat that you just sent in Vanish mode is disappear as the Vanish mode is turned off. So that is how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!